Hello everyone, welcome to MPN Academy. We are presenting you Bihar current affairs. Friends, in this video we will discuss 30 most important multiple choice questions associated with Bihar current affairs for the month April 2022 with description in English. So let's begin. The first question is, for how many seats in the local authority quota of Bihar Legislative Council biennial elections were held on 4th April 2022? The right answer is option number C, 24. The results were declared on 7th April. NDA won 13 seats. Among the parties involved in NDA, JDU won 5, BJP won 7, and Rashtriya Lok Janshakti Party won 1 seat. The RJD had to be satisfied with only 6 seats. 1 Congress party member were victorious and 4 independent candidates won. Which party has won the Patna seat in the recently held Bihar Legislative Council elections? The right answer is option number B, Rashtriya Janata Dal. In Patna seat, RJD candidate Kartikeya Singh defeated JDU candidate Valmiki Singh. Which party has got the status of the largest party in the Bihar Legislative Council? The right answer is option number C, Janata Dal United. JDU retains the status of the largest party. JDU now has 28 members of the total 75 seats. Remember that the total number of seats in Bihar Legislative Council is 75, 63 elected and 12 nominated. With 22 members, BJP has become the second largest party. RJD with 11 members is the third largest party. Of the total 75 members, 52 members, which is more than 2/3, have become NDA members. These are the constituents of NDA, JDU, Bhajpa, RLJP and HUM. Who is the leader of opposition in Bihar Legislative Council at present? The right answer is option number A, Rabari Devi. According to the rule, a party which has got minimum 10% of the total number of the seats will be eligible for the leader of opposition. So in Bihar Legislative Council member total number is 75, 10%, 7.5 means 8 members is required. Now RJD has 11 members. So Council Chairman Avdesh Narayan Singh has issued instruction to give the status of leader of opposition in Bihar Legislative Council to Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Rabari Devi. With this, RJD got the status of leader of opposition in both the houses of the legislature. The leader of opposition in Bihar Assembly is RJD MLA Tejaswi Yadav. Which party has won the Bochaha Assembly by-election that was held on 12th April? The right answer is option number A, Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD. In the Assembly elections 2022, VIP's Musafir Paswan won the election from this seat. He passed away last year on 25th November. The RJD fielded Musafir Paswan's son Amar Paswan as the candidate for the seat. RJD's Amar Paswan defeated BJP's candidate by a huge margin of 36,653 votes. Information is being given here for the students who want to get PDFs of all the current affairs videos released on this YouTube channel. First of all, let us understand why you need MPN Academy current affairs PDFs. Why MPN Academy PDFs? Let me show you the past 3 years performances. Friends, in 2020, 66th BPSC prelims exam was held on 27th December. 41 questions came from current affairs section. 36 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. The performance was 87.80%. In 2021, BPSC did not take any exams. So we have taken Bihar SI prelims exam, the second best exam held in 2021. Shift 1 and Shift 2 put together, 36 questions came from current affairs section and 31 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. Performance was 86.11%. The exam was held on 26th December. In 2022, 2 exams are held by BPSC. One is cancelled due to paper leak. The re-exam will happen soon. 67th BPSC prelims exam. The exam was held on 8th May. 30 questions came from current affairs section. 26 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. The performance is 86.77%. BPSC CDPO prelims exam was held on 15th May. The recent exam, 35 questions came from current affairs section, 30 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. So the performance is 85.71%. So you have seen that we have proven past records. In all the 4 exams, more than 85% questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. Video of all these regarding current affairs questions tallied from MPN Academy. These are available both on this YouTube channel as well as on the Telegram page of MPN Academy. Just search MPN Academy on Telegram. You will see this logo. Just join this. You must see these videos if you are preparing for 67th BPSC prelims re-exam and 68th BPSC prelims exam. You will get to see the pattern of current affairs questions asked in the recent years as well as how you can take advantage of MPN Academy PDFs. Friends, the PDF course is available for 67th BPSC prelims as well as 68th BPSC prelims exam. Friends, you can revise the entire 1 year current affairs in just 18 hours. How? 3 types of content will be given. Weekly current affair test series, it will be in the form of MCQs, national and international version. 50 PDFs will be provided in a year. 4 PDFs in a month. So total 48 PDFs plus 1 economic survey and 1 budget. So 50 PDFs, 1 PDF will require 6 minutes of time. So in 5 hours of time, you can revise this entire weekly current affair test series. Second type of content is monthly current affairs short notes, national and international version, 12 months, 12 PDFs. 1 PDF will require 30 minutes of time. So in 6 hours of time, you will be able to revise this content as well. Third type of content will be Bihar monthly current affairs. This will be in the form of MCQs as well as short notes. 1 PDF per month. So 12 PDFs, 1 economic survey and 1 budget. 14 PDFs, 1 PDF will require 30 minutes of time. So in 7 hours of time, you will be able to revise Bihar monthly current affairs as well. Friends, please keep it in mind that 67th BPSC prelims exam is delayed too much. For this exam, you will require PDFs from November 2020 onwards. This is available and continue to study 1 month before the exam date. Friends, how will you get these PDFs? You need to download MPN Academy app which is available on the Google Play Store. Just search MPN Academy and this logo will be there. You can install it. The link of the app is available on the description box as well as on the pinned comment section. Friends, after opening the app, you need to go to the store section. Then select 67th BPSC or 68th BPSC current affairs course. These PDFs are available at a very reasonable price. Just pay the fee. Payment link is given there and you will get the access of all the PDFs. At present, how many MLAs does the single largest party have in the Bihar Legislative Assembly? The right answer is option number C, 77. Bharatiya Janata Party is the single largest party in Bihar Legislative Assembly with 77 MLAs. With the victory in Bochahan Legislative Assembly, the number of second number party Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD has gone up to 76. Party Janata Dal United is at third position with 45 MLAs. The Congress Party is at fourth position with 19 MLAs. CPI-ML is at fifth position with 12 MLAs. NDA government has the support of 127 members. Shatrughan Sinha, former MP of Patna Sahib, won the recently held Lok Sabha by-election in which state? The right answer is option number D, West Bengal. Trinamool candidate Shatrughan Sinha defeated BJP's Agnimitra Paul by more than 3 lakh votes in Asansol seat of Lok Sabha in West Bengal. Bihari Babu's victory in West Bengal is even bigger than the victory in Bihar. Earlier, he used to fight elections from BJP. In 2009, he won by the margin of 1,66,000 votes, and in 2014 he won by 2,65,000 margin votes. But this time he got elected by winning with a victory margin of more than 3 lakh votes. Which district of Bihar has got the first place among the total 112 aspirational districts of the country in the Delta ranking of February 2022 released by Niti Aayog? The right answer is option number C, Katihar. Gaya, Muzaffarpur and Khagadiya have been ranked 2nd, 3rd and 7th respectively. This is the picture of Goga Bil Jheel, the first community reserve of Bihar, which is located in Katihar district. Which district has secured first place in Bihar in the audit of 3-tier Panchayati Raj institutions and courts in the financial year 2019-20? The right answer is option number C, Bhagalpur. Bhagalpur has got 97% success in audit. Jahanabad is at second place and Nalanda is at third place. Samastipur has proven to be the most laggy in getting the audit done. The progress here is reported to be 0. Success in 20 districts is less than 50%. What is the rank of Bihar in vegetable production in India? The right answer is option number C, third place. In this state, which produced 166.3 lakh tons of vegetables 3 years ago, the production has reached 179.5 lakh tons in the last financial year. Although this Bhojpuri singer motivated Bihari by selling pudina, but still the condition of Bihar in the country remains the same. Bihar has been at number 3 in the country in vegetable production since years. UP and West Bengal, which contribute up to 15% of the entire production, are at number 1 and 2nd place respectively. Potato is the largest produced vegetables in Bihar. Please remember that. Patna, Nalanda and Samastipur district have the highest contribution in terms of potato cultivation. What was Bihar's own tax revenue in the financial year 21-22? The right answer is option number B, 45,767 crore rupees. The state's tax revenue in the financial year 2004-05 was just 3,348 crore rupees. In this way, the tax revenue has increased almost 14 times. Deputy Chairman of Planning Board Vijendra Prasad Yadav said that in the financial year 21-22, the target was to earn 41,000 crore rupees from various taxes, but we achieved 45,767 crore rupees, which is 12% more than the target. Maximum tax revenue is generated from commercial tax, which is 35,886 crore rupees. Bihar has become one of the 5 big states in India by spending more than, the right answer is option number C, 2 lakh crore rupees. Apart from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have the achievement of spending 2 lakh crore rupees in a single financial year. According to the Finance Department, the total expenditure of the state in the financial year 2015-16 was 1,12,000 crore rupees, whereas in the financial year 21-22, the state was successful in spending more than 2 lakh crore rupees for the first time. How much business has the electricity company done in Bihar in the financial year 21-22, which ended on 31st March 2022? The right answer is option number B, 10,742 crore rupees. Bihar State Power Holding Corporation Limited Chairman cum Managing Director Sanjeev Hans said that the company has earned more than 242 crore rupees from the target due to continuous raids against power thieves, smart prepaid meters and recovery drive from non-payers. Despite the second wave of corona, the company has exceeded the target of 10,500 crore rupees. According to the report of State Health Committee, which district has secured the first position in safe delivery in the whole of Bihar in 21-22 on the national standard scale? The right answer is option number D, Katihar. Katihar district topped the entire Bihar by delivery of 81% pregnant women in government and private hospitals this year as compared to the national standard of 76%. At the same time, Rohtas has proved to be the worst district of Bihar with only 25% deliveries in hospitals. Bihar's average was 47%. What is the rank of Bihar in the highest number of missing children in India in the year 2020? The right answer is option number C, third. Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Kumar Mishra gave this information while presenting the data of National Crime Records Bureau in Parliament on 5th April this year. 12,064 children went missing from Bihar in 2020. The first ranker is Madhya Pradesh and the second ranker is West Bengal. It has been decided to run Chahak 2.0 program for class 1 children in Bihar. In which year was it started first? The right answer is option number C, 2018. The government is going to launch Chahak 2.0 in government elementary schools of Bihar for about 22 lakh children enrolled in class 1 in the current financial year. The school readiness program Chahak is the vision of Kilkari in collaboration with UNICEF. It has a 24-day learning module, and from 2018 to the pre-corona period, it was run in 2 districts of Patna and Gaya. Its results were encouraging, in view of which the education department took the decision to run it across the state. Where is Bihar's first orchid park being built? The right answer is option number D. Sanjay Gandhi Biological Park. The state's first orchid park will come up in the Sanjay Gandhi Biological Park, which is also known as Patna Zoo. It will be built in the fern house of the garden. The park will have an area of 1 acre, which will have more than 200 flowers and plants of 20 different species of orchids. Its flowers are fragrant and very attractive. These plants grow in clusters. Who has been elected as the president of the Indian Motion Picture Producers Association, IMPA, the largest body of producers in the film industry in India? The right answer is option number B. Abhay Sinha. Abhay Kumar Sinha has replaced T.P. Agarwal. Abhay is a resident of Bihar. Abhay Sinha was successful in defeating Bollywood's legendary producer K.C. Bokadia to get the president's post. For the first time in this organization, a Bihari has won the post of president. Which organization of Bihar has received E-Market Award by Union Home Minister and Cooperative Minister Amit Shah? The right answer is option number B. Bihar State Milk Corporation Federation, COMFED. COMFED of Bihar has received the award of E-Market. COMFED MD Shikha Srivastava accepted this award from the country's Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah. Bihar received this award in a program organized in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The award was given for improving Bihar in the program of National Cooperation Dairy Federation of India. Who has been honored with the Prime Minister's Award 2020 for outstanding work in public administration? The right answer is option number C. Anand Kishore. This award is given to selected IAS officers from across the country for their outstanding work. He has been honored for many innovations in Bihar board and extensive reforms in the examination system. All the tasks were computerized with qualitative improvement in the examination system of matriculation and intermediate. That is the reason Bihar always declares matric and intermediate result first in India from the last 3 years. India has entered the Guinness Book of World Record by waving how many flags simultaneously in the Veer Kunwar Singh Vijayotsav event in Bhojpur, Bihar? The right answer is option number B. 78,220. The Guinness World Record certificate states most people waving flags program completed by Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Culture, Government of India to celebrate Amrit Mahotsav of Independence at Jagdishpur in Bhojpur district on 23rd April 2022. A world record was created when 78,220 people simultaneously waved the tricolor for 5 minutes. Earlier, this record was in the name of Pakistan, where 56,618 flags were waved simultaneously in 2014. Who was the chief guest at the Veer Kunwar Singh Vijayotsav event 2022 in Bhojpur? The right answer is option number B. Amit Shah. The 165th victory anniversary of Veer Kunwar Singh, the frontline warrior of 1857 freedom struggle in the country, was celebrated on 23rd April this year. Brahmanand Singh, the descendant of Veer Kunwar Singh, was honored on the platform from which Union Home Minister Amit Shah set a world record for hoisting the tricolor flag at Dulaur in Jagdishpur. Let us take one more question associated with this event. In which year Veer Kunwar Singh was born? The right answer is option number A. 1777. Veer Kunwar Singh was born on 13th November 1777 in Jagdishpur in Bhojpur district of Bihar. Kunwar Singh's father was Sahibzada Singh, who is said to be a descendant of Raja Bhoj. After the death of his father in the year 1826, Kunwar Singh became the Talukdar of Jagdishpur. During the year 1848 to 1849, when the British had adopted the merger policy which Kunwar Singh did not like, and he stood against them. Veer Kunwar Singh gave tough fight to the British in the War of 1857 at the age of 80 years. On 23rd April 1858, Kunwar Singh reached his palace after fighting the British. During this, he had suffered a lot of injuries. His wound was so deep that he could not be saved, and he passed away on 26th April. On 23rd April, Kunwar Singh Vijayotsav Divas is celebrated all over Bihar. With whom the campaign Prahar being run recently in Bihar associated with? The right answer is option number C, police action. According to the data released by the police headquarters, a special drive is on to arrest the accused in serious criminal cases. The name is Campaign Prahar. The maximum number of criminals have been arrested in Patna district. Bihar government has fixed what percentage of quaternary expenditure limit for the current financial year 22-23 till July 31st, 2022. The right answer is option number C, 33%. All the departments of the state government have been instructed not to spend more than this by sending guidelines. Its subordinate officers have been asked to allocate the amount in the same proportion. The purpose of fixing quaternary expenditure limit by the state government is to strike a balance between exchequer and expenditure. From August to November, the rate is fixed at 32%. In which district of Bihar, Pawapuri Medical College has been renamed as Bhagwan Mahavir Medical College and Hospital? The right answer is option number D, Nalanda. On the occasion of Foundation Day, which was on 14th April 2022, of Vardhaman Institute of Medical Sciences, WIMS, Pawapuri, Bihar Health Minister Mangal Pandey announced renaming of WIMS as Bhagwan Mahavir Medical College and Hospital. During the Jan Samvad Yatra, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has announced the name of Pawapuri Medical College after Bhagwan Mahavir Sansthan. Please remember that Pawapuri is the Nirvana land of Lord Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankar of Jainism. On the occasion of Civil Services Day, which district has been honored by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar with the first prize in the better performance of the Corona Vaccination and Right to Public Services Act? The right answer is option number A, Patna. Patna DM Dr. Chandrasekhar received this honor in compliance with the Sat Nischay. Please remember that Siwan has topped in Bihar. The Rural Development Department was awarded the first prize for Sustainable Livelihood Plan in the departments. Which organization has been awarded the best borrowing agency by HUDCO? The right answer is option number D, Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation Limited. The chairman of this company, Pankaj Kumar Pal, received this award from Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri in Delhi. What is the full form of HUDCO? Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. The corporation has so far constructed more than 1300 bridges. In collaboration with HUDCO, a double-decker elevated corridor is being constructed at Ashok Rajpath, Patna, with a budget of 422 crore rupees. Which was the first city in Bihar to be selected for Smart City in the year 2016? The right answer is option number B, Bhagalpur. Patna, Bhagalpur, Bihar Sharif and Muzaffarpur have been selected as smart cities. Why it is in news? Expert engineers of IIT Patna will help in changing the picture of these four smart cities of Bihar. IIT Patna has got the responsibility of third-party assessment for these four cities. Due to the completion of 5 years, its tenure got completed only last year, but now an additional time of 2 years have been given to complete the project. It is shocking that not a single major project has been completed under smart city in Bhagalpur. And if you compare this with Darbhanga, which is not even included in the smart cities, it has developed at much faster rate. There is an airport in Darbhanga, there is AIIMS in Darbhanga, but these three cities have none of them. Friends, as discussed earlier, the PDF of this video lecture can be found on the MP Academy app. With the help of the PDF, you can revise this video lecture in just 5 to 6 minutes of time, which will save you a lot of time, which you can devote to the static portion. The link of the app is available in the description box and in the pinned comment section. Let's discuss the last question. When will the Foundation Day of Bihar Museum be celebrated? The right answer is option number C, 7th August. Why on 7th August? The newly constructed Bihar Museum was inaugurated by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on 7th August 2015. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said that Bihar Museum and Patna Museum would be interconnected through tunnel. Please also remember that Patna Museum was established on 3rd April 1917. The first meeting of the newly formed governing body of Bihar Museum Committee was held under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar recently. Friends, all the important current affairs for the month of April 2022 associated with Bihar current affairs is already discussed in the 30 MCQs. However, there are certain extra current affairs which is not very important but often comes in the exam. For this, we have made at a glance extra current affairs. In this month, you will get 22 additional current affairs. This is not included in the video. This you will get in the form of PDF. With this, we are wrapping up this edition of Bihar current affairs. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best for your exam preparation.